YouTube SEO easily explained, and that is starting right now.
In the darkest night, I saw your eyes. A sense of threat that I can't forget.
Hi, I'm Greg, and this channel is about motivating the small YouTuber, the beginner, to never give up and to follow your dreams. If that sounds good to you, please consider subscribe. By definition, YouTube SEO is search engine optimization. It involves optimizing your channel, your descriptions, your metadata, and of course your videos themselves. In layman's terms, it's about making your YouTube videos as searchable as possible. Your end goal is for your videos to show up on the very first page of the YouTube search results, if not to be the very first video in the search. And not only do you want your videos to show up on YouTube search, but Google as well. Why? Well, obviously, Google is the largest search engine you'll find on the internet, and the second largest is YouTube. So think about it. If your videos are showing up on the very first search page of Google as well as YouTube, then you're standing out amongst the rest of the pack. Congratulations. And this can lead to more subscribers, more watch hours, and of course, monetization. Now, I won't get into the dirty technical details as to how the algorithm works with YouTube SEO, as that is probably beyond the scope of this video, but I am going to show you how to add keywords to your videos. So if that sounds good to you, let's get started. Let's head over to the YouTube Studio.
So we're in YouTube Studio right now. We're going to go up to Upload Videos. We're going to select a file. I'm just going to grab a file off of my desktop here really quick, and that will work. So we're going to upload a video file. We're going to kind of skip around and go down until we find more options. From there, you're going to click on that. You're going to select tags, and you're going to start with the title of your video. So in this case, why the latest technology in the Ford Mustang is impressive or awesome. And then from there, you're just going to keep filling out more keywords, more keyword phrases, until you feel like you've established enough keyword phrases with your SEO in order to satisfy your SEO. So the next thing we're going to do is create a playlist. So we're going to go over here to the menu section, hit playlist. It's going to bring up the playlist I have. We're going to click on new playlist. We're going to name this, we'll just name it example for right now. So example playlist, create. Also, you can either have it as public, unlisted, or private. Of course, you're going to want it to be public so your viewers can view the playlist. Then once you're in the playlist, you can edit on the title, or you can come down here, and this is very important. You always want to make sure that there is a description for your playlist. You never ever want to leave this blank or empty. So you want to open this up and just start typing your description. And keep in mind that you want to use as many keywords as you possibly can, because again, this is how the algorithm is going to be able to find this playlist, is to look inside the description of this playlist as well as its title as well. So there we are. We have typed in our description, and there you go.
Now, don't think of the keywords as singular words. Think of them more as phrases. For example, let's say that your video is about the new technology found in the Ford Mustang. Oh, I love the Mustang. Now, you don't want to simply just type in the word Ford Mustang as a keyword search, because obviously there's going to be hundreds and hundreds of videos as well as channels out there dedicated to the Ford Mustang and also other muscle cars. You want your search term to be as specific as possible. For example, let's say that the title of your video is why the latest technology in the new Ford Mustang is so impressive. That would be a great place to start as far as putting in your keyword phrase. If you're getting value out of this video, please hit that like button, comment, and share. But YouTube SEO isn't just about adding keywords to your videos when you're uploading your videos. Keywords is also found in the metadata of your titles, your description, and yes, even your videos themselves. That's right, folks. YouTube is listening to your videos. The algorithm is listening to your videos so it can better understand exactly which audience to send your videos to. And finally, playlists. Playlists are very, very crucial. Like, you should go and create a playlist right now. Do it now. The YouTube algorithm loves organization, and Playlist provides that organization for your videos as well as the algorithm. Let's say, for instance, that you have a video series about restoring a car. Well, you want to be able to direct your audience to every single video of that series back to back instead of getting pulled away from your channel to somebody else's video based on something very similar. So in short, YouTube SEO is critical. Optimizing your videos is critical. Again, if you found value in this video, please hit that like button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you're doing to optimize your videos. And again, if you're finding value out of this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your support helps me to be able to create more videos to help you. Well, that's all, folks. And just remember, don't let your present situation dictate your dreams. Never give up. Never, ever, ever give up. Continue to stay motivated, work hard, and you will succeed. But YouTube SEO isn't just about adding keywords to your videos when you're uploading your videos. It's also about finding videos. But it isn't just about adding keywords to your videos when you're uploading them. It's also about keywords being found in your... Keep to the script, Greg. See, this is why sometimes I just don't even do a script. But it isn't always about adding keywords to your videos as you upload your videos. It's also about finding keywords in the metadata of your videos. Did you get that? Okay. I'm blinded. I can't see a thing with this light in my eyes. This is a special message. Folks, if you want to end wars, you want world peace, you want to be able to pet fluffy doggies and kitties, it starts by subscribing. Because I'm just afraid if you don't subscribe, we're all going to die. You don't want that to happen, do you?